Hello viewers, I have bought a set of quick coloring brush pens of assorted 6 vibrant colors from Amazon. This costs rupees 600. You can even get single pens for 110 rupees, but be mindful of being charged for delivery. It is available in other e-commerce sites as well. It is mentioned in the box that it is ideal for coloring. But let me check how good it is for modern calligraphy writing. Let me start from green. Wow, this is really good for writing. And the color is vibrant too. Then I'll take black. Wow, this is utterly black. Then blue. I'm trying some straight font. It comes out very well, isn't it? Then brown. The pens are really helping me in thin and bold lines. Then yellow. Wow, it is really vibrant. Even though the ink flow is not very juicy, it is really vibrant. Yep. And then red. Uh, yeah, the red color is not really vibrant, but it looks good in the output. It looks very red, and yeah, and I can get very good control over the tip. The tip is sturdy but flexible. If you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend this pen for you. Hope this video helps you and you enjoyed it. Thank you.